Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from MIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now, let us see how to solve this given question. Here, we need to show that these two curves intersect orthogonally. Okay, this is an example question from the textbook if I'm not wrong. Fine. Now, let's go to the solution. Okay, before the solution, very important point, angle between the curves is equal to angle between the tangents. Okay, angle between the curves is equal to angle between the tangents. Okay, so first we need to find, so basically we need to find out the angle between the tangents. Okay, see, to find out angle between the tangents, we need the slope of the two tangents. We need slopes of tangents. Okay, we need slopes of tangents. Now tangent for the first curve and tangent for the second curve, we need their slopes. Okay, fine. Now what, how will we get that slope of tangent? By dy by dx. Okay, by dy by dx, derivative. This process is there, but to begin with, first we need to find out the point of intersection. First we need to find out the point of intersection. Fine, now let's get started. Because at the point of intersection only, right, we can find out the slope of the tangent and also other things. Fine, these are the given curves. Fine, now how to find out the point of intersection? You see, this question is actually a bit easy to find out the point of intersection. Now how? Y square is 4 into x plus 1 and y square is 36 into 9 minus x. So now this curve is also y square and y square. You see, just equate the RHS of both, because LHS are same. Just equate the RHS of both to get the point of intersection. So 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 36 into 9 minus x. See, basically I'm solving these two curves. I mean, to get the point of intersection, I need to solve these two curves. For solving, very easy is here y square, y square. So both are, just equate these two so that I can get the value of x. Fine. A very simple calculation. 4x plus 4 is equal to 36 into 9 minus x. So I didn't do that. I did something different. See, 4 ones are 4 nines are, okay. So 4 ones are 4 nines are. So don't cut like this. I'm just trying to explain. So fine. So x plus 1 is 9 into 9 minus x. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Like, I made PPT in a different way and I was explaining it in a different way. Chalo. Now, fine. 9 into 9 is 81 and 9 into minus x is minus 9x. So x plus 1 equal to 81 minus 9x. Now let us get x terms on one side and constants on another side. So 9x minus 9x, bring it to the LHS. So what I'll get is x plus 9x is equal to then 81 minus 1. Okay. Now 10x equal to 80. So what will be x? X will be 8. Fine. X is 8. Now put x as 8 in any one of the two equations. Fine. Let's just put it in the first curve. So when x equal to 8, y square will be nothing but 4 into 8 plus 1. What is 8 plus 1? 9. So 4 9s are 36. So y square is 36. When y square is 36, so what would be y? Y would be plus or minus 6, because y square is 36 means y is root 36. Root 36 is plus or minus 6. So y has two values, plus or minus 6. Okay. So when x equal to 8, y is 6 or minus 6. So basically I have 2 points of intersection. They are p 8 comma 6 and q 8 comma minus 6. Shall points of intersection are. I'm taking them as p and q. Fine. Now we got the point of intersection. I told you in the beginning, right? Angle between the curves is equal to angle between the tangents, and to find out the angle between the tangents, we need the slopes of the tangents, and for slopes of the tangents, we need dy by dx. Okay. So let's differentiate the given two curves. So first curve is y square equal to 4 into x plus 1, next curve is y square into 36, y square equal to 36 into 9 minus. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Here also differentiate both sides with respect to x. So derivative of y square equal to, observe here, 4 into derivative of x plus 1, because 4 is a constant, it can be kept outside of the derivative. Likewise, here also derivative of y square equal to 36 into derivative of 9 minus x. Okay. Now what is derivative of y square? Derivative of y square is basically, see, derivative of x square is 2x, that is okay. So derivative of y square is also 2y, but here I am differentiating with respect to x and my variable is y. So as per chain rule, I get into dy by dx. So derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx, and here see, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0 because derivative of a constant is 0. So 4 into 1 is 4. Okay. Now here again 2y dy by dx equal to 36 into minus 1 because derivative of 9 is 0, derivative of minus x is minus 1. So I am left out with minus 1. Fine. So dy by dx is 4 by, okay, minus 36. 2y dy by dx is minus 36. Now dy by dx is nothing but 4 by 2y. Send the 2y to the RHS. So 2 ones are 2 2s are. So dy by dx is 2 by y. Chalo. Now dy by dx here is minus 36 by 2y. So 2 ones are 2 18s are. So minus 18 by y. Okay, I found out dy by dx for the first curve. I found out dy by dx for the second curve. Now, okay, I want slope of tangent at the particular point. Okay, this is a general one, the 2 dy by dx which we have. So what is our point? Slope of tangent at p8 comma 6 is m1 equal to, I am denoting the slope as m1 equal to dy by dx at 8 comma 6. I want slope of tangent at 8 comma 6. That's why I am denoting it like this. This is how it is given in the textbook. Okay, now dy by dx slash 8 comma 6. Now our point is 8 comma 6. What is our dy by dx? Dy by dx is 2 by y. That means what is my point? X is 8, y is 6. Here there is no x, so y is 6. Just put y as 6. So 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. M1 is 1 by 3. Likewise, slope of tangent at p8 comma 6 here for at the same point, I'm going to find out the slope of second tangent. It is m2 equal to dy by dx at 8 comma 6, and here y is 6 and minus 18 by 6, which is nothing but minus 3. I hope things are clear up till now. Now see here, you know, they're asking us to show that the curves intersect orthogonally. It means that basically the tangents are perpendicular. We have to show that the tangents are perpendicular. When can we say that two tangents are when can we say that two straight lines are perpendicular? When product of their slopes, cross product of their slopes is minus 1. So I just need to show that m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1? Let's find out. So m1 into m2 equal to, see, m1 is 1 by 3 and m2 is minus 3. So m1 into m2 equal to 1 by 3 into minus 3, which is minus 1. Hooray! So we got it as minus 1. So product of the slopes equal to minus 1. It implies that the tangents are perpendicular, and it means that when the tangents are perpendicular like this, the curves, therefore the curves intersect orthogonally. Okay, at P. I hope the concept is clear. Chalo. Before moving forward, let's take a small break. Okay, fine. So get a little smile and relax. You could have a deep breath also, and we can discuss about something. You know, break is necessary, right? If I'll just keep talking, you guys will get bored. Okay, I just wanted to share something which I heard from someone. Okay, uh, I heard this from Dr. Vivek Pindra, a very famous YouTuber, a businessman and motivational speaker as well. So in his series of Gita in Action, like he started a series. There I really like this point that initial result is small. Listen to me carefully. Initial result is small. The result in the beginning is small. Now what does this mean? Let's say you start studying mathematics. Right? Day 1 you did 5 questions. You did 5 questions. Okay. And day 2 also you did 5 questions. Day 3 also you did 5 questions. Now at the end of the month, you have done 150 questions. 30 into 5, 150 questions. But 150 questions may not be sufficient for mathematics, but you have come to certain level. Okay, now keep doing it again and again, like 6 months. Now we have done 900 questions. Now 10 months, 1500 questions. You see, every day if you just do 5 questions, in 10 months in 10 months you will reach 1500 questions. If you'll see your progress, initially you, in the first 30 days you have just done 150 questions, but in 10 months you have done 1500 questions. This is the power of consistency. See, the problem with all of us is we want result very fast. నాకు ఇప్పుడే కావాలి, ఇలా నాకు రిజల్ట్ ఇప్పుడే వచ్చాలి, మ్యాథ్స్ కూర్చోగానే వచ్చాలి. అది జరగదు. దట్ డజంట్ హ్యాపెన్ గాయ్స్. దట్ ఓన్లీ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఫర్ జీనియసెస్. In general, 99.9% of the people are not in the genius category. మనకంత తెలివి లేదు. So we need to put in constant effort and stay at it. That's when we can, that is when we can expect results. We feel that we should just study for 10 days and get 75 out of 75 maximum. It's not possible. Even if you get that, that is not sustainable. I mean, within few days you'll forget it. Very few people can do that, such level of that. Study regularly and don't expect result initially. I like this point which Dr. Vivekendra mentioned, like in his talk. If you'll go to gym for 3 days and just check whether you got biceps and triceps and all that, you won't see. You have to be consistent. Go consistently for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and then you can check. Then you see, right? Consistency. Initially you won't see much difference, let it be gym or mathematics, anything. But if you are consistent, keep putting in effort regularly, you will be able to do it. Like, I like learning languages, so I learned Japanese by being consistent. I was not exactly consistent, but I gave time. Like, some days I gave time, some days I could not. So, and now I'm able to speak Japanese. I mean, to a person from Japan. Okay, that to a decent extent. Okay, that's what I could get. I'm learning Korean as well because it is similar to Japanese. I felt, okay, now let me give a try Korean. Fine. Okay, now let's come back to this. So be consistent, guys. Study regularly. That's my suggestion. Okay, I thought 1 minute break, it became a bit long. Sorry. Let's continue. Fine. We showed that the curves intersect orthogonally at P. Now we did it for the first point. We also need to do the same process for Q. Now for that, see, what is our dy by dx for the first curve is 2 by y, dy by dx for the second curve is minus 18 by y. Just write it down again. You don't have to show the entire process again. For y square equal to 4 into x plus 1, dy by dx is 2 by y, and for y square equal to 36 into 9 minus x, it is minus 18 by y. Okay, fine. The derivatives I wrote. Now we need to find out the slopes of tangents at the point Q. Q is 8 comma minus 6. So same formula. M1 is dy by dx at 8 comma minus 6. So 2 by y is minus 6 here. So 2 by minus 6 minus 1 by 3. Here slope of tangent at 8 comma minus 6 is dy by dx at 8 comma minus 6, which is minus 18 by minus 6. So minus minus cancel and 6 1s are 6 3s are. So M1 is minus 1 by 3 and M2 is 3. Now let's check whether M1 M2 is minus 1 or not. M1 M2 M2 is minus 1 by 3 into 3. 3 3 cancel, minus 1. That's it. Hence the curves intersect orthogonally at Q. That's it, guys. This is what they had asked us to show and we have showed. Thank you. I hope I didn't bore you with my talk on consistency. I mean, it was not actually my talk. I just repeated someone's words. I just added some things. That's all. Okay. Fine. Once again, thank you.